Okay, last time what we talked about is the patient, right? You understand what I mean by patient? Now remember everything. If you have patience, you can solve all kind of problems. Okay. You understand what I mean, right? Patient is the patient is everything, the foundation of everything, especially in martial art field. You have no patience, you won't learn nothing. Because a lot of people have no patience. They will come in the first day want to learn Wing Chun, and they already want to learn all the form already. That means they have no patience to build the foundation. They end up he won't get nothing. Because if you have no patience, you won't last too long. Because you lose interest. Because nothing fits into you. Patience involves dedication. If you have patience, you will stick to the one thing all the way through. No question asked. Then you will success. That's the foundation of success. Okay? If you have no patience, you don't have to talk anything else. That's it. Alright. Any other thing you want to talk about besides patience?
Patience controls parts of the 13 principles. Like
Everything based on that. Yeah. Like for example, in Wing Chun, the first thing you hear what I say the 13 principle. But if you don't understand it, okay, if you don't understand it, you have no patience to listen to me anymore. Because I try to repeat everything day by day by day, many days I talk about the same subject. And each time you listen to me, you will go a little bit deeper, understand what I'm talking. If you listen to me one time only, you may not catch what I'm saying. Then you have to keep listening. Then you really understand it. Just like you read the book. You read one time, you don't see what's going on in the book. But you keep reading the book many times. Now you figure out what the book is trying to tell you. You will digest the book. Wing Chun the same way. You learn the form. You think you got it, but actually not. If you keep doing the form many, many times, and then you will learn it. That's why everything you develop through Wing Chun, how to find the balance point. Like muscle and motion, we are developing. How much muscle I use to control the motion, that's the whole balance point. If you are using too much muscle, that's become the motion become tight. It won't go so smooth. That's not balance. If you have to use enough muscle to control the motion will be so flexible to move freely. That is what you have to develop. When I teach, if you're a teacher teaching a student, you got to know how to control your ability to teach him, make him go good. Because teacher is only guide the student. You cannot make the student good. The student want to be good is based on himself. He have to make himself good. But the teacher can stimulate his energy, get him to do practice, make him work by himself. Now the student good. But if the teacher think, oh, I'm top, man, I'm good, I want you to be like me, I force the student to do it. That is wrong idea. It's not balanced. Because you're forcing people, they never get. Because that's not their energy to reach to you to accept your teaching. Okay, now last time I talked about the vibration. Nancy come up with a good term called micro vibration.
Oscillation.
Micro what?
Oscillation.
Oscillation. Understand that term? That's a new term for me. But I just can explain to you what vibration is about. Okay, term in English term, I still far away. I'm no good in English, but you guys can teach me. If you have a new term, let me know. Let me learn. Okay. Everything in life is vibration. Okay, you don't see it. How come vibration can maintain balance? Because think about it. If let me write something here. If I have a stick, I set the bottle in here, okay? The bottle set like this. I set the stick this way, okay? On the ground. Okay? That stick right here. But if I set another stick like this, in this way, but I put the stick with a coil underneath. Alright? This stick have more vibration than the stick without. If I put the stick like this, when the wind blow, it blow away. But you have the spring right here. When the stick come, it blow, come back. It never blow away. In order to control, you got to rock yourself. But I'm not telling you all day rocking, okay? That's not the way. In the 都心道 form, when I do 心道 form, I stand like this, okay? I can feel myself rocking, but you don't see I'm rocking. But how come I have to rock? Because I got to want to feel my vibration in order to apply it. If I cannot feel my vibration, I cannot control it. That's the purpose. I want to feel to control my vibration. That's why I vibrate by myself. Now I can feel my vibration. But I'm not doing that much. I just stand like this. I can feel my toes, pressure, relax, pressure, relax, pressure, relax. That's how I feel my own vibration. When I can feel it, I can control it. Now, next thing is called touch without touching. I bring up the subject already, but a lot of people still don't understand what I mean by touch without touching. When 2, 4 hit together, like that, okay? 2, 4 don't move, okay? But after I hit, I stop my punch, you drop there. Now I'm not touching you. Understand what I mean? See that point? If I punch, I keep pushing. Now I touch you. Okay? But I touch it, boom. You go out, I'm not touching you. I'm not attached to you. That's called touch without touching. I'm holding you. When you come in, I brought you, boom. I brought you, move out. You move out your palm. I'm not chase you. I touch you. But another thing you have to develop is learn how to make him stick to you. I don't let him move out. Then, boom, you have to stick to me. But I'm not stick to you. Okay? Stick without sticking. That's another way you have to learn in Wing Chun. Learn how to stick without sticking. That means sticky hand teach you how to stick without sticking. Because when I touch your hand, I make you stick to me. How do I make you stick to me? Because I know how to control my center of gravity. You understand the concept? Now, for example, I'll give you an example. Now, for example, you stick your hand, right? From here, I did not lean like that. That's totally wrong. Because when I lean like that, I cannot control my center of gravity. If I maintain center of gravity, now from here, he have to stick to me. He cannot let go. Why? Because he let go of my force, or my hands going to him. Okay? But actually, I'm not using my whole body lean like that. I'm just using the touching point. The touch, then he feel that way. He cannot let go. Okay? Hard to see that point, right? Understand the concept? Understand the concept? Yes.
When I know you're talking about the point of contact, but it's coming from the whole structure.
Yeah, you control the whole body. 3 structures work together. Your hand structure, body structure, and then leg structure. They depend on each other. That's the basic stand. Learn, teach you how to stand right. Okay? Understand that. Now, first thing, you connect the body to the leg. How you connect is based on the cossack. Okay, give me the wood, the cossack thing. Okay, if you can control the cossack, you can lock the body and the leg together. How you do together? Like the opening stand. When I open like this, right? Boom. I pull the shoulder down. Why I want to pull it down? Because I want to stretch my head up. I cannot stretch my head up this way. I can put my shoulder down and make head go up naturally. Okay? If shoulder don't go down, your shoulder go up, your head go down. Opposite force, yin and yang. Alright? That's why I want to make it go down. I want to pull my body down, then my head go up. That's one part of stretch. That's when the open stand, I stretch the head first. Now, down like this, naturally down, I put my cossack in, put the body like this. Right? When I let you down, my cossack tuck in. Okay, I'm not leaning. Leaning, I stick out. And no purpose. I just relax straight down. The word is straight down, the cossack tuck in. Alright? Then I become one piece. But there's one more step. By the time I open my knee, why I open this way? Why don't I open this way and this way? The purpose, I open the toes first, is I want to control my butt cheek. Okay? The thing, like touching like this, now the butt cheek here holding in there, in place. Okay? I tuck in like this, the two butt cheek behind it. Tight the butt cheek, then I maintain my cossack in the same position. The butt cheek tight. Okay, and then when I open this one, make it tight, firm up, supporting it. Now I can open the stand. All motion have their own purpose. If you don't understand the purpose, then you don't know what you're doing. Then people open stand like this. There's no purpose. You see people open the stand like this, they keep jumping. Okay, that is not the way we open the stand. We open the stand very subtle. Stretch, relax, open, open. So natural. That's the way you can apply each individual motion, have their own function. You understand it, how to feel it. That's what the stick hand. When your energy coming to me, I have to be able to equalize the energy. Don't let it come to me. But when you let the energy come to me, that means my hand will collapse. That's why the energy comes to me. If I be able to stop your energy, bounce back to you, rebound to you, then your vibration won't upset me. Okay, that's what you have to develop all this skill you mentioned. How to find the 0 point, how to make it balance. Next question, who else? No one? All right, that's it for today.